Hello friends, I am Rajni and welcome to my maths tutorial. Today we are going to learn about algebra. In algebra we will learn today find the sum of polynomials. See, this is the question. This kind of question will come in the competition or in Olympiad also or in textbook also. How can we solve this type of polynomials? Adding. First what we will do? Minus 15a square plus 3ab minus 6b square. We have to find the sum. We will put the sign plus. Then we will write next one. Minus a square minus 5ab plus 11b square plus third one is minus 7a square minus 18ab minus 13b square plus 26a square minus 16ab minus 7b square. Then what we will do next? Next we will arrange the like term in one bracket, like minus 15a square. A square is again it is there here, it is plus a square. Next, where is a square again? We will see here. Here it is plus, here it is minus. Plus minus, we know it is minus. So we will write here minus 7a square. Again here it is plus 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 26a square. In this way you have to first write the like term in one bracket. Next it is ab, here it is plus, so we will write 3ab. Here it is minus, here it is plus minus plus minus minus. We will write minus 5ab minus 18ab. Next here it is minus 16ab. Next it is minus 6b square. Here plus 11b square. Here it is minus 13b square. And here it is minus 7b square. After arranging the like term in one bracket, we will do the next step, AB. And if we solve this one, it will come around minus 15b square. How we have solved this bracket, I will let you know down how it is coming. Okay? Let's solve the first bracket, how we have solved this and it came 5a square. I will let you know here. This is our first bracket, minus 15a square plus a square minus 7a square plus 26a square. So how we have solved it and it came 5a square? First, we solved two polynomial. Here it is minus 7 plus 26. Minus plus, you know, minus plus is equal to minus. So we will do 26 minus 7, which will come around 19. 19 plus 19 as well, because 26 is bigger and her sign is plus. That's why we put here plus a square plus 19a square. Now we solve these two polynomials. Here it is plus, here it is plus. Plus plus, you know, it is plus only. So 19 plus 1 will come 20a square. Minus 15 plus 20 we have to solve. Minus plus, again it will be minus only. So we will have to subtract 20 minus 15, it will come 5a square. And what will be the sign here? Here it is minus 15, here it is plus 20. So 20 is bigger and for 20 sign is plus here. That's why it will be plus 5a square. See, in this way we have solved the first bracket. Let's solve the second bracket. This is our second bracket. How we have came to minus 36ab, I will let you know. Right, second bracket here, 3ab minus 5ab minus 18ab minus 16ab. minus 5ab. First we will solve this two polynomial. Here it is minus minus. Minus minus will become plus. So we will add 18 and 16. How much come 18 and 16 will be? It will come around 34. Why I have put here minus sign? Because in 18 and 16, 18 is bigger and his sign is 18, sign is minus. That's why we put here minus sign. Now again solve it. For these two polynomial, again it is minus 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 minus. Again it will plus. We have to plus 34 and 5, which will come around 39 AB. Again it will be minus sign because 34 is bigger and its sign is minus. Here it is plus, plus minus minus. We have to subtract it. 39 minus 3, it will become 36. AB, what will be the sign here? You see 39 and 3, 39 is bigger and its sign is minus. We will put minus 36 AB. In this way, we solve the second bracket which come minus 36 AB. Let's solve this one, third bracket, how it come minus 15b square. Third, first write it, minus 6b square plus 11b square minus 13b square minus 7b square minus 6b square plus 11b. We will solve third one, third bracket. It is minus 6b square plus 11b square minus 13b square minus 7b square minus 6b square plus 11b square. Again minus minus will be plus. 13 plus 7, 20, 20b square. Again minus 6b square. Here it is minus plus. Minus plus will be minus only. We have to subtract 20 minus 11, which will come 9b square. Here it is plus. Here it is minus. 20 is bigger, so we will put minus. Now again minus minus will be plus. 6 plus 9 coming 15 b square. And what will be the sign? Sign, we will see 6 and 9, which is bigger? 9, and its sign is minus. We will put minus. In this way we solve this first, second and third column, and its answer, final answer is 5a square minus 36ab minus 15b square. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any query related to this, please ping me in my video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.